Guys, that was from the Trinity Rock and Pop syllabus grade 2 for the 2018 offering. That is Fallin by Alicia Keys, and it's a fantastic song, and it's really well represented within the exam here in an R&B style, and it's 12/8. And if you haven't come across 12/8 before, it can be a little bit daunting to see such a high number in your time signature, but honestly, there's a great swing when it comes to 12/8 in the feel of it, because you can call it 12/8 and you can also feel 4 in it. And what I mean by that is there's 12 hits in 12/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But you can go to the left for 1, 2, 3, to the right for 4, 5, 6, to the left for 7, 8, 9, and to the right for 10, 11, 12. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12/8 is 12 quaver beats, okay? Which is the same as 4 dotted crotchet beats. So this kind of has 4 beats in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If those numbers have confused the hell out of you, ignore everything I said, and we'll keep working on the piece. But 12/8 basically means you've got 12 quaver beats in a bar. The top number means that you've got 12 beats, and the bottom number tells you what type of beats they are. So in 4/4, the top number means you've got 4 beats, and the bottom number means they're crotchet beats. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and each crotchet is worth 1 beat as you're looking at the piece. So if this was, for example, 12/4, there would be 2 quavers there for a crotchet. So it'd be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12, and that's a lot of hits for one bar, and that's why you don't see 12/4 all that often. So in 12/8 we've got those 12 hits in each bar, and I think that would probably be, for someone who's never seen 12/8, the hardest thing about this piece. You start off with Alicia singing I Keep Falling, and there's no playing on that, and then you've got 2 bars of piano, so it's on the piano that you should start counting your 12. So In Love is the start of the piano piece, so you get in love, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You don't play any of that, okay? You come in on bar 4 and you play just hi-hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we're starting in on bar 6 with a closed hi-hat and a bass drum. So you're going to want to practice getting that 10, 11, 12, 1. Both feet down on the 1 of bar 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you can just sit in this bar 6 groove, or bar 6 and 7 groove, repeated, just to get a good practice of the feel. Okay, and then on bar 9 you've got a little bit of a fill. Now, in the strictest of senses, is this a fill? We're playing bass drum and hi-hat. Well, it depends on how you define a fill. If a fill to you is, oh, I hit the toms, we're not hitting the toms here. But this is a little bit of a highlight of drumming. So on the second half of the 9th bar, you've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? On its own like that, it doesn't sound like much, but if you put it in the bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A little bit of a build-up feel to that there. So we're going from what was mezzo piano, building up slightly to the mezzo forte that's starting on bar 10. And on bar 10, we're switching, it's the chorus, we're switching to the right cymbal with our right hand, and we're going to keep that same groove going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we got all the way to 13 there, and that little fill on 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A nice clean flam on 7. That plays through 8, 9, and then the rest on 10, 11, 12. Okay, now we're back onto verse. Verse is back on the hats, back on the rim click instead of the snare hit, and continuing similar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15 is continue similar, as is 16, as is 17 with a caveat for the bass drum. So on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we're going to be playing bass drums here, which wasn't on the repeat. Okay, so we are continuing similar with our hands and with the first half on our bass drum. On the second half, we're going to have that extra. So if we play from 16 into 17, it sounds like this. 16 starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then into 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you got those 6 bass drums in a row. Again, back into 18, which is the same as bar 14 repeated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That repeats on 19, repeats on 20. And on 21, we start 1, 2, 3, like we always had for the previous bars, but then it's a fill. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is worth practicing on its own because it's a fill. It's a fill by every definition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 4, 5, 6 is all on a snare. 7, 8, 9 goes left hand up to the rack tom. 7, 8, 9, and then it goes right hand down to the floor tom. 10, 11, 12. The reason it's left hand to the rack tom and right hand to the floor tom, the sheet music actually tells us they want that. So I mean, you can make an argument for, oh, I can use whatever hands I want, until the sheet music clearly types it out there. You have to listen to what the sheet music wants. Now, my approach to this kind of thing is, whenever you can, whenever it's up to you, you should always use what's called alternating sticking. So basically using one hand after another. Don't rely heavily on one hand over another. And this actually follows that. So if you go 1, 2, 3, right, left, left, right, left, right. It's all alternating sticking, so that's kind of what we want. Then straight back onto the ride with the same chorus that we had in bar 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Snare and crash together. And then we're back to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. And that is the end. That little fill on bar 25 into 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the snare for a flam. 8, 9. And then a flam on the floor tom. 10. Bass drum on 11, 12. And then a nice clean bass drum and crash on the 1 of the final bar. That is the whole piece, guys. Practice it on its own before you try and play it with the backing track. Work on those little fills a little bit before you try and play the piece all together. Once you're playing the piece all together, then put on your backing track. Give yourself every chance to find your mistakes and have a bit of fun with it. And again, once you've done this piece with the exam layout, the writing that they've done for the exam, go listen to the actual song, because obviously it's much longer than this, and everything that you've learned to do here you can use in that song. So don't just do an exam piece and leave it at that. Actually play the song the way it was recorded for radio and learn to play along with it, because it's a great skill to have. And I think the major benefit of the rock and pop syllabus is that at the end of learning these songs, that you're able to play these songs, not just the exam version of them. So I'm going to leave you with that. I hope this video is beneficial. If you've used it and you've watched this far, please do feedback to me in the comment section. It does help the channel and it helps me, because the more interaction I get on these videos, YouTube and Google like that, so they'll rank the videos better in searches, and they'll support me better with the promotion of the videos on the channel. So all that interaction, all that liking and sharing and all that jazz really helps, and it helps my ego too, because I'm an egomaniac. Fun fact. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.